Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over to clean your terminals here and your battery connections. Sometimes your car won't start because it's got a bad connection. You've got too much corrosion on here. So you're going to undo it. This is a 10 millimeter, but you would just undo loosen the connection, and then this just happens to be a tool for cleaning your battery terminals. You just pop this little cap up, and then that way you have access, and it's a wire brush that scrapes all of that corrosion off. And then on this side it also has wires in there, and you'll put this on and turn it clockwise. You turn it counterclockwise and it's going to really gouge into that, but we're just trying to clean the surface portion of it off. Okay. Push it on there. Turn it clockwise a couple times to get that a good clean connection. You can put some they have an electric like dielectric grease. You can put some on there if you're really concerned in wet conditions, but otherwise that's been cleaned. And just reconnect on this side and do the same on the other side, and that's how you would clean your battery terminals on your vehicle. And you know, sometimes you'll get a lot of green and blue crustiness on here, and it's from the acid that gets on there, and that's how you would clean that. And just go ahead and do the same for the other side, and then you can put your cover cap back on here, and that's how you would clean your battery terminals on your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.